As the fall colors begin to show in Sarnia-Lambton, now is the perfect time to prepare your home for the colder months ahead. A few seasonal maintenance steps can protect your investment, prevent costly repairs, and ensure your comfort all winter long. Hi, I'm Scott Leggett, a local expert with Blue Coast Realty. Whether you've just bought your first home or have lived in Sarnia for years, I'm here to help you keep your home in peak condition year-round. Let's walk through your essential 2025 fall home maintenance checklist. First, clean and inspect your gutters and downspouts. With all the leaves dropping across neighborhoods like Brights Grove and Twin Lakes, clogged gutters can lead to water damage. Make sure downspouts carry water well away from your foundation. Next, inspect your roof. Look for missing shingles, damaged flashing, or any signs of leaks. Catching problems early can save you major issues once the snow hits. Seal gaps and cracks around windows and doors. Drafts are common in older homes throughout Sarnia and can drive up your heating bill. Simple caulking and weather stripping can go a long way. Now is also the time to service your furnace or heating system. Book your technician early and replace your air filters to keep your system efficient and your indoor air clean. If you have baseboard heaters or a boiler, test them before the temperature drops. Don't forget your outdoor taps and sprinkler. Drain and shut them off to avoid burst pipes. Disconnect hoses and store them properly. Store away your summer equipment. Clean garden tools and lawn equipment before winter storage and add fuel stabilizer if needed. Keeping things organized makes spring cleanup a breeze. Inspect your basement and foundation. Look for cracks, signs of moisture, or pooling of water. A dehumidifier can help if your lower level feels damp. If you have a fireplace or wood stove, get your chimney cleaned and inspected. Stock up on wood and check the chimney cap, especially since raccoons and birds are frequent visitors in our region. Test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Replace batteries and confirm everything is working properly. This simple step can save lives during peak heating season. Lastly, clean your windows and install storm windows if you use them. This improves insulation and helps bring a more natural light during darker months. Taking care of your home in the fall helps you enjoy a worry-free winter in Sarnia. If you'd like a contractor recommendation or you're planning to buy or sell before the snow falls, reach out to me at Blue Coast Realty Brokerage. I'm here to help you stay ahead of the season and make smart real estate moves.